Hello everyone! Nature has rocks that can be turned into a vital building material, cement, which has strong cohesive forces. In this video, we'll be looking at the manufacture of cement from its raw materials like limestone to the physical and chemical processes until the final Portland cement, together with its benefits and side effects. Please be around till the end and check under the video and click the like, subscribe and share button so that you don't miss out on any great teaching and learning material. May God give you excellence. You can pause the video at any time and put your questions or thoughts in the comment section below. Let's start with the raw materials. Limestone, as we can see there in the left corner up, is the chief ingredient, and that is calcium carbonate. We have clay, which provides silica or silicon dioxide, and that is common in our swamps. Then we have alumina. Those are the raw materials. The vessels include the rotating kiln, that round vessel that you're seeing on the left, and the water tank and the grinding mills, which are shown in the processes below. Consider supporting us by liking, subscribing, sharing, and allowing notifications for great teaching and learning material. How does the process take place? The limestone, clay, and alumina are crushed into fine powder like we can see in the left upper corner there. Then the fine powder is mixed with water in the water tanks to remove impurities. That is purification process. Then the mixture is dried and heated in the rotating kiln at temperatures of 1400 to 1500 degrees Celsius, forming clinker. That happens in the rotating kiln, and that means that the temperatures are very hot and they're 15 times as hot as boiling water in the process there in the rotating kiln that we can see on the left there. Now, chemically, what happens? The limestone decomposes to calcium oxide together with carbon dioxide, as you can see in the equation there. Then the calcium oxide is the one that reacts with silica and alumina, forming silicates and aluminates according to the equations there. The equations are optional whether balanced or not, but they can be a good substitute for the many words that we have. The molten mixture cools into the hard and gray clinker, which is cooled and mixed with gypsum to control cement formation. The first process there in the left bottom corner is the clinker, which is then followed by the fine cement, and then the packed cement, and then the bags of cement, and then distributed on the trucks that we can see there. The final product is a fine gray powder called Portland cement, as I've explained, and it is packed and distributed for construction by those trucks. Those trucks are responsible for transporting the Portland cement or the cement, and I think we have seen them in many places. Cement is very good in building, however it has side effects, and they include cement dust, which causes air pollution and respiratory illnesses. Like the person on the right there is working without protection and is liable to getting respiratory illnesses. This can be mitigated by using personal protective equipment, like the person on your rightmost there is having protective equipment which protects him from the cement dust and the pollution. The second can be carbon dioxide emissions from limestone decomposition and fuel combustion, which cause global warming. Global warming is like a blanket which forms and causes the warming of the Earth's surface, because carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which traps radiations. This can be mitigated by using alternative fuels like biomass. Where have you seen cement being used in your communities? The social benefits of the whole process of manufacturing cement. 1. Employment opportunities through jobs for factory workers. This provides income and improves their standards of living. The workers on the left there are working with cement, and it provides income for them. Second, provision of cement, which enables construction of durable housing and schools. On the left there, a foundation is being laid using cement because of its strong cohesive forces, and hence this leads to infrastructure development. Third, foreign exchange. When cement is exported, the truck on the left there is transporting cement, and this can cause economic growth and revenue for the country. That brings us to our conclusion, and some of the common scenarios related to the cement manufacture include the following. Cement is a powerful building material for constructing good and strong houses. Following the increased demand for cement, due to increased need for human settlement, the government has hired a local investor to construct a new cement manufacturing industry in Toro district to ensure an increased supply of cement countrywide. The district locals are however concerned about the environmental effects that will result upon construction of the factory in their district and how the production process will be conducted. Prepare a presentation you can use to answer the concerns of the locals. Alright, be prepared for such scenarios and more, and always be specific and clear and relate your information to scientific facts when you're answering these questions. Read the scenario item thoroughly and understand it. Have a comprehension of it and be sure to succeed. May God give you excellence. Thank you, our dear viewers. In this video, it should be very clear, and we want to emphasize that the manufacture of cement can be involving raw materials like limestone and clay, vessels like the rotating kiln, physical processes like mixing, chemical processes like decomposition, conversion to the desired product by mixing with gypsum, purification by mixing with water, and social benefits and side effects are there which you have viewed. Please put your questions and suggestions in the comment section below. Thank you once again for supporting us by liking, subscribing, sharing, and allowing notifications for great teaching and learning material coming soon on our channel. See you soon.